Without a doubt, the DJI Ronin-S is an amazing one-handed gimbal. However, once you load a camera on here, and I don't have the camera loaded because I'm using it to shoot this video, you may find, especially once you add more things like a screen and maybe some microphones, it can get a little heavy. So inside this box I just got in from Amazon is the Dazzne Ronin-S Dual Grip Handle. Let's unbox it and check it out and see if it helps. When we open the box, we see a crossbar and the Ronin-S mounts here, the two grip handles. This looks to be a mounting accessory and a strap. So let's pop this out and get it mounted. Now, first looking at it, this sure looks to be very well made. It feels very solid, looks very well machined. Has a really nice rubber grip. I'd say so far looks really nice. Well, the first thing I notice is in order to mount it, you need to undo this little screw here. And you just do that by churning and twisting until it comes out. Make sure you don't lose this washer or screw because I don't know how you would mount anything if you lost it. And then this just pops open and there's already a protective strap here, and it simply slides over the little indent in the rubber handle that's already there, and you just screw that back in. Oh, and it feels very solid. And just tighten it up. So the same thing can be said with the grips. You have to undo these little red screws. And then it simply, it doesn't seem to say left or right, so I don't know if it matters, but it simply just slides on, and then you just re-tighten it with the screw. So you just mount it the same way as the other one. If you'd like to use the accessory mount, it's essentially the same thing. You get this little bracket, you undo the red screw, mount it wherever you would like, and just tighten the screw. Very cool. There is only one critique I have on this product, and that is that the little thumb screws you use to adjust and tighten come all the way out, and that means you can actually probably lose one if you're not careful. So this little washer and this thumb screw come all the way out. I wish they would have actually locked it in so it stayed attached to this piece. But other than that, I still highly recommend this thing because it will make everything so much easier to use and much more stable. So something I just realized, not only does this Dazzne Ronin-S Dual Grip Handle give you two handles, two places to put your hands, but it also gives you multiple. So I can use the center still as a third. And it makes everything feel a little more stable. And if I'm doing a shot from underneath, I can do it like this or like this. And if I need to do a roll shot, I can lean this against my chest, and it actually makes it so stable feeling. I think I'm gonna really like this thing. It seems very well made, like I said, and it's going to make working with the Ronin even easier than it was before. So how can you not recommend a product more? It's very well built, makes it easier to use, highly recommend it. Check it out. Dazzne Ronin-S Dual Grip. Get one.